Hey, welcome to Hunnyfly Studios tutorial for Starfish, also called Mermaid pose. And if you know another name for it, go ahead and leave it in the comments. Be sure that your hammock is rigged professionally. So we'll go through it a little bit faster, and then I'll break it down. We're going to drop back. We crochet that left foot, and the right leg's going to slightly drop back. You're going to use that core, pull yourself up. I'm going to use my right hand to really pull. Tailbone tucks, and then I'm going to roll into the bound leg and release that bottom arm to come out, kicking into the fabric, releasing the bottom leg. And now I'm just sort of in a side star. Again, if you know another name for this, please leave it in the comments. Back into straddle, and just where I started. All right, so now I'm going to break it down a little bit slower. So we do the same drop back. That's your straddle back. And I'm going to crochet the foot. All right, so right leg's going to drop back. I'm going to use my abs, reach my hands up, and I have to give myself a little bit of a pull with my arm. So I'm going to actually raise my right hand up, grab with my right hand, and pull as I straighten that left top leg. Oh, I should be pointing my toes a little bit more. And then I'm going to do it again, pull, and I'm going to roll my right hip into the fabric. Okay, so once I'm there, I can actually drop that bottom hand, and I'm in the pose. But remember, you want to practice coming out. So top leg, I'm going to grab with both hands again. Top leg's going to push into the fabric. That's going to loosen up that bottom leg, so then I can release. And now I'm back in that side star. You do want to practice this a few times, and especially in the beginning, keep both hands on the fabric just so you feel stable, because it's really easy to get unstable in the hammock. So just remember, safety first, right? And then you can come back out into your straddle. Great job.